Get it out the mud 901, back with another product review, baby. What we got this time? The Shaker Mini electric chainsaw. Now this chainsaw has cut down all of this wood out here. Literally. Look at the size of these trees. This little chainsaw cutting down 100-year oaks, son. Real talk. Nah, we just playing. But yeah, Shaker sent me this. We're gonna keep this in the Ranger. Anybody rides, you know you're gonna have little sticks and stones and stuff like that. Look what we got here. Comes with a battery, charger. I fully charged the battery. Get out the shade here. Our mini chainsaw. 4-inch portable cordless electric chainsaw. We're gonna slap the battery on this bad boy. One-handed. Quality commercial here. All right, let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Let's see how well this does on this foot right here. All right.
Ooh, that's a fucked up one anyway.
Let's test it out here. Dang. Wow. I mean, cut right through that. What do you say? That's about a 2-inch. Not a lumberjack here.
Name is Jack, but yeah.
Name's Jack, but I'm no lumberjack. Yes, sir. I think that's gonna come in handy. That did no problem. Now let's go over here and see if we can cut down the whole tree with it. Let's see if we can take one of these nipples off. Damn. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Oh, see here. Pretty good damn little chainsaw right here. The Shaker 4-inch portable electric chainsaw. See if we can get through this line. Amazed. That is a good little chainsaw right there. That is definitely gonna come in handy. Nothing wrong with that. And it's cute. You heard what the lady OG said. It's cute too. I mean, look, even the women can handle this. But I think they like it a little bigger than 4 inches though. That's the only problem. But definitely gonna keep this handy on the Ranger, because sometimes we get it out the mud, but sometimes we get stuck in the damn trees, and then we got to get it out them trees. And we definitely can get it out the trees with that, even though it's 4 inches. So let's do another test here. Let's see if we can get through that can right there. Watch the foot. Oh yeah, son. We clean up our trash on the trails too. Let me see a foot or a finger. Come here. Don't try this at home.
Cuts right through
a thumb.
4 inches though, you got to be careful because it will take a thumbnail clean off. Always wear safety glasses and a thimble.
It's the time to do a chop top on that roof now.
Perfect time to chop the top on the Ranger. I believe it'll get through it with some dedication and some hard work and some lube. We can get that 4 inches through there. Just need to lube it up. That's it. Nah, we'll do that next time. Y'all go check out the Shaker 4-inch electric chainsaw. We'll leave a link in the description to the website where you can order this bad boy. 4 inches, baby, of pure power. It'll get you out the trees and get you out the mud and get you on down the road, baby, and get you through them trails. Well, we made it home from the ride. And as you can see from their video, the Shaker 4-inch chainsaw really came in handy. And as you can see, we got a lot of tree limbs down, but there is this little tree right here that we need cut down. And we're gonna try to cut down this whole entire tree with this miniature Shaker 4-inch chainsaw. So we're gonna go at it. With the same battery charge that you seen from the video earlier. So we're gonna trim it up. And go at it. When I tell you, this is no small tree. I mean, this is pretty hefty. It's actually a couple of trees grown into one, it looks like. So we've literally cut through that. It's so lined up. This little chainsaw is amazing. I'm just saying. So strong. I mean, this ain't no punk tree. Off one battery charge at that. Crazy. Crazy. Shaker mini 4-inch battery powered electric chainsaw. And dude, this is nuts. Like all that and the trail ride from earlier. We're gonna see how much of this stump we can get cut down on one battery charge. Bro, this is nuts. We are almost through that big ass trunk. That's crazy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. One charge, one battery charge. We cut all of this tree down. Big branches, big boy branches. Like, these ain't no punks. And the trail ride you seen earlier got us through that, and all the testing that we did just playing around. Shaker, miniature, electric battery powered chainsaw, 20 volt, comes with the charger. Check them out, man. Go get this. Keep it on charge. Keep it in your side-by-side, your car, your truck, the house. I mean, look. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Appreciate you, Shaker, for the miniature chainsaw. We will definitely keep this with us and keep it on handy and keep it charged, and man, keep it ready to chop and prune and do its thing. And this is gonna get us out the trees and keep us getting it out the mud. Check them out. Shaker miniature chainsaw. Subscribe, like, and share. Link in the description to this bad boy right here. Let's go.